Hello friends, good afternoon. Uh, Today we are going to discuss one problem of section of solid. The problem is a square pyramid, base 40 mm side and axis 65 mm long, has its base on the HP and all the edges of the base are equally inclined to the VP. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to the VP. It is inclined 45 degree to the HP and bisecting the axis. Then draw the sectional top view, front view and true shape of a section. Friends, as we know, it's a square pyramid. That means one view is a square and second view is your triangle. And this pyramid is kept on the HP. That's why it's a top view, which is a square. We have to draw on the HP side. This is our HP side, this is our VP side. Now, this square is equally inclined. Therefore, we have to draw this square, which is like this. As this square pyramid is equally inclined to the VP, therefore we have to draw the square like this. Now, this is suppose point A, B, C and D. This is point O. Mark it as O. Now, we have to join these all points with a center point by a faint line only. First of all, we have to draw only faint line. Now, project all the points towards upward side for the triangle or its front view. As its height is, axis height is 65, so just mark 65 here. We get apex point as O. Now, join all these points. This is also solid edge because in first step the observer is at this position. So the observer see this A point, this C point and B point also. So that's why this A point, this B, C are solid edges, while the D is also on the same line but it is hidden, which is not visible due to the solid line. Okay friends, now in this given next condition, this section plane is cut by a section plane perpendicular to the VP and it is 45 degree to the HP. That means this cutting line is 45 degree, but where it cut the axis at its midpoint, that is bisecting the axis. That's why we divide this axis into two parts. Divide this 65 into two parts, we get at this point. So mark this point and take 45 degree angle at this point. Draw a sectional cutting line which cut this plane. This is our cutting line, which is bisecting the axis and 45 degree to the HP also. Now, further moving, we have to draw it's a sectional top view, its front view and true shape. Friends, dark the bottom point or bottom part of the front view because cutting line, when cutting line cut this object, we have to remove this part. So the bottom part we have to dark only. So this much part you have to visible. This part is not visible when cut the plane. So this cutting line, cut OA line at this point, say suppose P1, OB say suppose at point P2, OC at point P3, and O4 or OD at P4 point. Friends, this is your answer, which is your front view. This is your front view. Now we have to draw sectional top view. Friends, we have to project P1, P2, P3 and P4 points towards the bottom side. I just take this P1 downward side. Friends, since this P1 point cut OA edges or slant edge OA, so this, when we project this line towards the bottom, so OA, this point we get at this point. This is your P1 point or P1 dash point. Similarly, we have to project this P3 distance and then P2 and P4. Now we have to project this P3 downward. Friends, since this P3 point cut OC distance, therefore this line, when I project on this line or downward side, it cuts OC at this point. So I will get this P3 dash at this point. Now we have to project P2 and P4 on this line. Friends, if I just draw this line continuously, we don't identify where it cuts OD and OB points. Therefore, this method to project this P2 and P4 is just draw one horizontal line on the extreme slant edge. We will get this point. Now project this point downward side, we will get this point. Now take this much distance as a radius and cut to the OD and OB, since both points are on the same point. We will get like this and like this. So we get P4 dash and this is your P2 dash. So P1, P2, P3 and P4, we get this point. I just rub this point. Now join all these P1, P2, P3 and P4 points take 45-degree line, hatching line, which shows your sectional top view. Friends, just join up to these edges up to this point, and this point is up to here. So here is your sectional top view. Now the third point is we have to draw a true shape of a section. Now friends, draw one line here which represent your sectional line again. Now mark one point here at any point anywhere. Now take a distance between P1 and P3 in the rounder, and from this point mark this point. You will get at this point is your P3 and here is your P1. Now at the same time mark P1 and P4 distance. At this point you will get P2 and P4 at the same point. Now project all the points downward. Also project this point P3 downward side. At the same time we have to project all these P4 points, P4, P1, P3 and P2 point here also. So we will get here P1 double dash at this point, P2 double dash at this point, P3 double dash at this, P4 double dash. Now join all these points by straight line. So take 45-degree line and mark hatching line which is equally spaced. So here is your true shape of a section. Then this distance is 40 mm, this distance is 65 mm. As the cutting line is bisecting the axis, therefore this distance is 65 half. Thank you.